The greeting of Islam. Learning objectives. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. May the peace, blessings, and mercy of Allah be upon you. How are you doing? Today's lesson is about the greeting of Islam. So let's begin. Yesterday, my friends, my son Ahmed was playing in our home's backyard. His father entered and said to him, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. May the peace, blessings, and mercy of Allah be upon you, my son. Ahmed remained silent and did not know how to respond to his father. So his father said to him, The greeting of Islam is Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. May the peace, blessings, and mercy of Allah be upon you. It is a beautiful greeting because we use it to wish each other peace, mercy, and blessings. And we must respond to this greeting by saying, Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. May the peace, blessings, and mercy of Allah be upon you too. The greeting of Islam, my friends, is very important among Muslims because it spreads love and friendliness between them. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, Shall I not tell you of something which, if you do it, you will love one another? Spread the greeting of Salam amongst you. This hadith teaches us that using the greeting of Salam among Muslims increases the love, friendliness, and unity between them. Now, my friends, who can tell me what Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh means? Well done. The greeting of Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh, has different beautiful meanings. For example, it includes the word salam, which means peace and safety. It also includes the word rahmah, which means mercy, love, and affection. And it includes the word barakah, which means increased blessings and rewards. The greeting of Islam, my friends, is a da'wah that we use to ask Allah, the Almighty, to provide others with peace, mercy, and blessings. Therefore, we return the greeting of Islam by saying, Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. May the peace, blessings, and mercy of Allah be upon you too. This response is for whoever greeted us and supplicated, made dua for our blessings and well-being. Therefore, we return the greeting by also supplicating to Allah Almighty to provide them with His peace, mercy, and blessings. What a beautiful greeting it is, and a beautiful religion Islam is. Now, my friends, who can tell me a verse from the Holy Quran that talks about the greeting of Islam? Yes, my friends. The commandment to greet people with peace was mentioned in the Quran. Allah Almighty said, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. However, when you enter houses, greet one another with a greeting of peace from Allah, blessed and good. In this verse, Allah the Almighty commands us to greet our family and other Muslims with a greeting of peace whenever we enter their homes. We do this by saying Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. This greeting comforts people and increases love among Muslims. My friends, Allah Almighty said in the Holy Quran, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, the guardians of eternity, which they will enter along with the righteous among their parents, spouses, and descendants. And the angels will enter upon them from every gate, saying, Peace be upon you for your preservation. How excellent is the ultimate abode. This verse means that the angels will greet those who will enter paradise with the kind greeting that Islam encouraged us to use, and it is Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. May the peace, blessings, and mercy of Allah be upon you. We ask Allah Almighty to make us among the people of paradise. Now, my friends, who can tell me what we have learned today? Well done. Today, we learned that Allah Almighty made a beautiful greeting for Islam, and it is Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh, which means, may the peace, blessings, and mercy of Allah be upon you. We also learned that we should return the greeting by saying, Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh, which means, may the peace, blessings, and mercy of Allah be upon you too. Furthermore, we learned that spreading or saying the greeting of peace among people increases the love, mercy, and affection between them, which is also what Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said. We have reached the end of today's lesson, my friends. I will see you soon in another lesson. Goodbye, my friends.